Hey guys, I'm IK, IT guy, and this is my YouTube channel EasyTech. In this channel, I'm going to provide you with some easy tech tips to make your everyday life with technology easier. This video is on how to move contacts between accounts on your iPhone. So here is the problem. I used to work for a big corporation, and all my digital life was bound to Microsoft Exchange. Email, calendar, contacts, you name it. All easy accessible over my iPhone. When I left, I kept the phone, but my corporate account was inactive. So my calendar and most importantly my contacts kept working on the cached copy of my iPhone, but I could not use them outside of it. Interestingly, you can make an iCloud backup of your iPhone, upload the backup on a new phone, and it's still working. But if you're using a mail client from your Mac or PC or over a cloud service like iCloud or Gmail, it is not. So how do you access contacts on your dead Exchange account, trapped forever on your iPhone? If you Google this problem, there are a number of things you can do to move your contacts. You can purchase an app that allows you to move contacts from one account to another, or you can email them to your new account and re-import them back there. Note, you have to email them one at a time, or again install an app to be able to send multiple contacts at once. However, you can move your contacts on your iPhone yourself without additional apps or charges, and I will show you how. So let's get to it. Well, first of all, you have to make sure that your default location for your contacts is Gmail or iCloud or whatever your preference is, not your corporate Outlook. Okay? So check that. Now let's open the contacts. I've prepared already the 3 test persons. I'm selecting the first one. I do a share contact and I'm going to save it to my files using the iCloud option. You say iCloud drive, but this does not actually upload to the cloud, it just stays on your phone. You go then to the files, select iCloud, select this contact and import it. You just click on it and say copy to contacts. So what happens now is that you have the test person and there are 2 linked contacts, the corporate account and the Gmail account. You have to go into these and check that the information is correct, so emails and telephone numbers are right, and after you have done that, you're clear to go. You can just delete the corporate contact. So you just go down. Unfortunately, it's not very well to see here on this sequence. You just delete it and it's gone. So let's do a second run. We have a test person 2, we share it, save it to our files again on the iCloud drive. Of course it says replace because it's already there from the first time. We go back to the files, select the text file, and we add it, copy it to our contacts. So test person 2 is there. We save it, and you have the 2 linked accounts, Gmail and corporate Outlook. There's an extra step here needed because it so happens that there are notes there. So if you edit these notes, nothing happens on the linked account. You have to manually copy them and paste it to the Gmail or your iCloud contact. So after you save it, you go back and you select your corporate Outlook account and just delete it again. So let's do a final check after we delete it. So we see that if we search for test person, and deselect all contacts, of course there's nothing to be found, but if we check our Gmail account, you have the two test person we just moved there. Here is a small recap. 1. Check the default contacts location. 2. Share a contact using Files iCloud. 3. Go to your files and import this contact. 4. Check contact information and copy notes if necessary. 5. Delete the exchange contact. So, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, I'm IK for Easy Tech channel.